Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Kali Linux from dual boot safely step by step clearly. Begin by backing up all important data from your Kali Linux partition. Restart your computer and boot into your Windows operating system. Once in Windows, press the Windows key and type Disk Management. Open the Disk Management utility from this. Locate the partition where Kali Linux is installed. This partition is typically labeled as Extension 4 or might not have a drive letter assigned. Right-click on the Kali Linux partition and select Delete Volume. Confirm the deletion when prompted to do so. You will now see unallocated space where the Kali partition used to be. To reclaim that space, right-click on your Windows partition, usually labeled as C. Select Extend Volume from the. Follow the on-screen instructions to merge the unallocated space back into the Windows partition. After completing the extension, you also need to remove the grub bootloader. Press the Windows key again and type Command Prompt. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose. Next, type bootrec/fixboot and press Enter again. Finally, type Exit to close the command prompt. Restart your computer to ensure that Windows boots directly without the grub menu. Your system should now boot into Windows without the presence of Kali Linux. Check your disk management one more time to verify that the Kali partition has been removed. You have successfully uninstalled Kali Linux from your dual boot setup. Make sure to keep your system updated after removing the unnecessary software. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.